Today, we'll be covering how to install the JumpCloud PowerShell module on macOS. All of the following directions are cataloged on our JumpCloud GitHub in the links provided. You'll need to have PowerShell installed on your Mac system. If you haven't done so, navigate to the PowerShell GitHub page supported by Microsoft. Once PowerShell has been installed for Mac, you can begin installing the JumpCloud PowerShell module by typing in the following command: install module JumpCloud scope current user. You'll then be prompted by PowerShell to install the JumpCloud PowerShell module from the repository. You can just type in Y or A and hit enter to confirm the install. After the JumpCloud module is installed, you can use the command connect-jc online in order to authenticate to your JumpCloud organization with your API key. To find your API key, log into your JumpCloud administrator account, click on your email address in the top right of the admin UI, and from the drop-down menu, select API settings. Your API key will be shown, which you can copy and paste into the prompt within PowerShell, thus giving you access to your JumpCloud organization through the JumpCloud PowerShell module. Once authenticated, you're now able to run any of the commands outlined within the JumpCloud PowerShell module's wiki page in GitHub. To show how this works, I'll go ahead and run the following command to pull information from a specific user from my JumpCloud organization, Bob Fay. git-jc user space Bob F. That's it. If you want to find out more information about JumpCloud's PowerShell module, check out JumpCloud's knowledge base articles or JumpCloud's GitHub page.